Hey there, fellow CAD designers. In today's tutorial, we'll be diving into Fusion 360 to create a stunning wooden drawer from scratch. If you're into woodworking and want to learn how to use Fusion 360 to design your projects, this video is for you. Let's have a look at the parts. So we got these bodies, front cover, I will hide that. Then we got one side, we get the back panel, we get the front panel, the bottom panel, the other side, finally the knob, and then we get one screw for that knob. All right, let me show everything. So let's get started. I will be working in millimeters for this tutorial. We will start with a sketch on the top plane with a center rectangle and dimension that rectangle with a height of 296 and a width of 258. Then we'll draw one more rectangle, center rectangle here. Connect that here. Give that a thickness of 8 millimeters. Pull that out. Give it a vertical relationship between those 2 points. Pull that out one more time. And an overlap of 8 millimeters. So that is a top view of what will be the front cover panel and the outer dimensions of our drawer body. I will apply, pressing O, an offset, no chain selection. I'll take that back edge and offset that 12 millimeters. Do that one more time for that edge. Again, 12 millimeters. And then one more time with that edge going up minus 12, minus 16. All right, so things will be symmetrical on this body. So we will just work on the right hand side of it and then mirror everything across. So that's it for the first sketch. We can cut that off here and finish. I'll get into an isometric view. And the first extrude will be that front panel cover here. We'll be going up 133, a two-sided extrusion, and going down 7 millimeters. Okay, so there's our bodies folder. I will call that front cover panel, and apply some appearance. There is the solid wood folder. Let's scroll down, go to unfinished, and apply cherry here. Close that, and that is not the way the grain should be running. It should be horizontally, right? So I make a right click and go to texture map controls and take that handle here and just go to 90 degrees. And there it is. Our front cover panel, at least half of that. Okay, let's route on that front panel. So I'll go here to the side, start a sketch, circle, connect that to that outer edge here, give that a diameter of 8 millimeters. That'll be the profile for our sweep. Start a new sketch on that face with a P. I project that edge, and that edge. 3 selected, okay, and that's it for that sketch. Now I go into sweep, take that profile here, path is that one, the operation is a cut, and accept that. All right, now I'll make that initial sketch number 1 visible again, and extrude that side panel. So I take these 3 here, and extrude them 125. This will be a new body. I accept that and apply again some wood texture. Maybe that 3D pine here. Apply that. Okay, and this time the direction of the grain is correct. And now let's define our joints between back and side and front and side, and the channel for our bottom panel. So I start a sketch on this face, start with a 2-point rectangle, pull it over there, define a distance to the bottom of 12 and a thickness of that of 5 millimeters. And I will define one more rectangle here for our finger joints. I'll switch to an isometric type of view and apply a vertical constraint between these 2 points here, and a height of that finger joint of 10 millimeters. We just need one. So in the front, we need to apply how far, we need to define how far that bottom panel is going to be in the front panel. So I take these 2 points from the 2 sketches and apply a 4 millimeter distance. And next is that dovetail definition. So there are many ways how to define dovetails. Let me start by drawing a rectangle here. I'll show you my technique here. So these dovetails are going to be half covered, which means there's going to be a front part where the dovetails don't enter. Let me define those here with 6 millimeters. And sure, the dovetails start where this sketch point is. So I take that one, all right. And then I draw, pressing L and X, one construction line going here from the midpoint down. And then I need 2 points here and here. The distance is 8 millimeters, 2 times. And then I draw a line at an oblique angle here. That'll be no construction line. That will be an edge. Coincident with that point and at an angle of 82 degrees. Then I need one construction line here. Press X and mirror that object, that sketch line, over that line. Okay, and that's it for that sketch. I exit. First, I'll make the cutout for the finger joint. So E for extrude. Take that, go over there. Distance to object. Take that backside. Cut. That's it. Now let's make a rectangular pattern of that feature. Click that in the browser window. Click the axis, that edge. Go to quantity 5, distance 20, and that will be spacing 20. Okay, I gotta rewrite that, 20. Okay, so there we got our finger joints. Now let's model the corresponding back panel. So I take this region and that one and start from that face and finish on that one. That'll be a new body. I accept that. And now I will make a boolean operation. A cut on this body with that, and I'll keep the tool. There it is. Let's apply some other appearance to that. Walnut, unfinished. I'll download that. Apply that. Let's apply some chamfers to these edges here. That'll be 8. And at the bottom, That'll be 6. Okay. Next extrude is the front cover. So I take this profile and that one, extend to object up to here. That'll be a new body. Okay, let's do some naming here. So this is rename side panel. This is the back panel. And this is the front panel. And again, I'll apply that walnut appearance. Let's hide the side panel for a moment and make sketch number 4 visible. I'll zoom in and make another extrude of that region here. Going in, extend type, we'll go to object and pick on our base sketch that corner. Accept that and make another pattern. I'll hide that sketch. A rectangular pattern of features. That one. Axis is this. We need 4 instances, and the distance is -30. No, not minus, but plus. So there it is. Okay. There are our dovetail recesses. Now let's show side panel again. Go into the boolean. We want to apply that to that target body. That is our tool body. We keep the tool, we cut in there, and there it is, our dovetail. Next, let's define the extrusion of the bottom panel. So we need that sketch number 4 it is, huh? So I press E, take that region, go into offset in that direction. Offset distance is 7. So it's -7, okay. -7. It's a one side to object. And we can take that vertex down there. And this will be a new body. And we accept that. Again, let's apply an appearance. I'll take the 3D cherry, close that, and let's hide that sketch number 1 and 4. We need to apply the Boolean operation. Target body is this, tool body is that, and we keep the tool. One more time. Target is this. Body is the bottom panel. And there we have half of our draw, huh? So let's mirror the parts. I'll start in the back. Take that. Mirror plane is this. Joining. Yeah. One more time. Mirror the bottom. Mirror plane there. Joining. Then let's take that side. Mirror plane, this one, and that will be a new body, huh? Then mirror, take the front panel, select the mirror plane, joining, yeah. One last time. That one, over there, yeah. So we get all the wooden parts of our drawer finished. And now we can draw a knob. This part I'm leaving to your creativity. If you like my knob, I'll just show you the sketch of that. Here, there's a sketch which are revoluted around that axis here. And there you have it, a beautiful wooden drawer designed in Fusion 360. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Cadamus tutorials. See you in the next video.